Collapse is not failure. Collapse is rehearsal. Collapse is the bow being drawn back, the tide pulling away, the seed cracking underground. And you already know how to do this, because you've been doing it since you learned to walk, since you fell and got back up, since you broke and rebuilt stronger. And success is not the opposite. Success is expansion. Expansion is the arrow flying, the wave crashing, the tree breaking soil, the lightning bolt striking outward. And you already know how to do this, because every time you've dared, every time you've spoken truth, every time you've risked being seen, you expanded. And you can notice now how every collapse you've lived through has been a secret gathering of power. And every expansion you've feared has been the doorway to your light. The real terror isn't falling. The real terror is flying. The fear isn't of being weak. The fear is of being strong enough that you can no longer hide. And you can let that fear be proof, not of danger, but of readiness. Because collapse is the inhale, expansion is the exhale. Life requires both. Your nervous system thrives on both. Your brain rewires itself through both. Collapse prunes. Expansion grows. Collapse contracts. Expansion radiates. And your unconscious, it now knows deeply, permanently, that collapse is never the end. Collapse is the womb. Collapse is the setup. Collapse is the gravity that creates the explosion. Collapse is the darkness that makes light possible. So each time you fall inward, you can now automatically remember this is the charge before the release. And each time you expand outward, you can now automatically accept the responsibility of coherence, the visibility of light, the gravity of leadership. And the more you embody this, the more natural it becomes. Collapse is feedback. Expansion is destiny. Collapse is gathering. Expansion is shining. Collapse is the proof that you're alive. Expansion as the proof that you're divine. And your unconscious can now lock this in as identity. You're not afraid of failure. You harvest it. You're not afraid of success. You radiate it. You're not afraid of collapse. You use it. You're not afraid of expansion. You live it. And as you imagine the future now, notice how, if you ignored this, you'd shrink into a ghost, a black hole of regret. And notice how, by living this, you blaze into a sun, a radiant force, pulling others into orbit, generating warmth, coherence and light. So choose now, and let your unconscious install this truth forever. Failure and success, they're not opposites. They're harmonic inversions. Collapse feeds expansion. Expansion fulfills collapse. Both are electricity. Both are you. And the time to expand is now.